Nope. We're trying to learn some dance here. I think teachers need a high-quality, user-friendly video experience that connects to the curriculum. Schools need the flexibility to have smaller or larger class sizes, the ability to choose if the workshop runs in the gym or the classroom, if the workshop runs all week or just every Monday. Students need physical literacy, mindfulness, and creativity. Students need to be engaged. They don't want to just know where hip-hop came from. They want to be where hip-hop came from. But most importantly, students want to feel that they're active members of the experience, that their voice matters, that their voice matters, and that we're listening.